settings monitor page. Now this is not going to be like an extensive training video, but more like a brief overview of the different parts of the settings monitor page. So let's get started. And as you can see right here, you're going to find out when it was updated. So this one right here was 4/27/2017. And we're going to have our benchmark. These are what we want to beat. So we're going to see our returns, 3-month, 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. Now the long-term indicator is monitoring the markets, whether they're behaving in a bullish fashion or a bearish fashion. And right now we have bullish, so it's giving us a recommendation to follow the bullish settings, which you will find over here. Now think of your bullish settings much like your broker's mutual fund statement or your 401k mutual fund statement. In a mutual fund statement, you see in your 401k, you'll see all the different mutual funds that are available. You'll see the 3-month, the 1 year, the 3 year, and the 5 year return. And you can invest in these mutual funds based on, what sector they're in or based on their returns. So we have the same thing here. Your market timing indicator comes with 18 different settings. And so each of the settings is listed right here. It actually shows you what that setting's current recommendation is. This one here is to the downside. 4.0 is right here up to the upside. So each setting has their current recommendation. Then you have that setting's 3-month, 1 year, 3 year, and 5 year return. All right, and then over here on the other column, it's going to show you how many trades expected each year, how many alerts are given for that setting. And right now, our default 5.1 setting is giving 7 alerts per year. That's almost every 2 months. You only get 1 alert. Very, very thin action. But as you see, it's a 21.21% for the 3 months, 75% for the year. And that's doing 3 times better than the 3-month and doing 6 times or 5 times better than the 1 year. So fantastic. Now we also have bearish settings over here. Now the only difference between these two is when an alert is given, one side is like, let's say 1.0 is given an alert to go to the downside. Well, the other bearish is going to do just the opposite. So the settings monitor is monitoring the returns if you had invested into TZA over here or if you had invested in TNA over here. And they will just do the opposite. So you'll be able to see which side is working best. And right now the bullish is working best. So our long-term trend indicator is recommending that you follow a bullish setting. So now you have the settings here. If you want to know, here's 5.1. If you want to know what makes up a return, 75% for the past year, if you can click on this and it'll tell you the trades that were made up that return. So here it is a year before, 4/27/2016. It says a buy price, and then this is assuming you have a portfolio of $1,000, just to give you an idea of how it's going to gain. And then we have the drawdown, and you can use this to determine how big the swings are when you're trading this setting. At the end, it'll tell you the return. They had 6 winners, 2 losers. Average winner is 13%. The average loser is 8%, so you're not going to lose much per loser. And then it's also going to tell you if this setting is currently giving an alert, and right now it is not giving any alert. Well, I hope you enjoyed this brief overview of the settings monitor and the different parts that compose it. Please check.